So, y'all know we live in America. But my son wants to eat. Show what the hell you want to eat.
So we went to a spice store at the mall. Picked up a jalapeno sucker and some of these.
Now you gotta show people.
Larvette's got the cheddar cheese flavor. Someone put this on r/Mad Lads. Alright. Larvette's. Let's get a couple of these things.
Oh my lord, I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, don't do that in the car though. Do that
Let me see.
Alright.
Show people what the heck are you gonna eat.
Larvette.
Oh my god. Okay.
Dude.
Yep, that just twisted my stomach. How does that nastiness taste?
Tastes like chips. Tastes like cheddar chips.
Let me see one of them. One. Like literally just one.
One. Alright, I'm gonna give you the biggest one I can find.
She wanna try. Go ahead, Nati.
No.
Nati, try
Do
it.
it.
No.
It's already in your hand. You gotta do
Try
it.
it.
No, there's
Just
no
take
way.
a little bite.
Look at las patas.
I'll give you $1.
Bro, this has patas. Look at this. I'm serious. Look at las patas.
Give me my,
Oh, that has legs. Oh
give me
my
give me
god.
jalapeno sucker. Give me my sucker.
Alex, that's
Yeah,
totally
not going to
disgusting.
happen.
Alex, you just ate like dookie.
Give me a sucker.
How do you know if they even clean them?
They don't.
I can care less. It's all gonna come at the other end.
Oh my lord, Jesus Christ.